getting better setup now. I got full face shield. Had to get up his head. It's about 8,000 degrees in there. So what I'm going to do is go over it, roughen all the surface up. And if I see some voids underneath there, or like I did initially there, or there's some, when I put the first sheet of plywood on, they would have had a piece of CSM behind the back of it. And if there was no peanut butter, there wasn't a full bond or whatever. So that's what we see there. And a couple of sections here and there. I think I got most of it exposed. But I'm just going to go through it again and roughen up all the surface just to make sure I don't find any pockets. But got, that's this side somewhat done. I don't know if you can see or not. Clean up that edge. I gotta grind that more. Kind of remove the lip from the end right there. Just this side. I didn't take it out yet. Yep. Thought I cut that out. There we go. It's not too bad, it's like it's wet. I got the heavy piece of wood right there. This side was incredibly soaking wet. What was it? Soaking wet, rotten, soaking wet, wet. Not bad, not bad. This mask is definitely game changer where I'm at. So I got most of it cleaned up. The vacuum shit the bed, it's not vacuuming anymore. But I think, you know what, I would say I can't get much better than this without eating into too much material. I've got all the delaminated stuff. Now I just gotta wipe this down and clean it up. Unless you guys have any advice that have done this a few times, you know, go Dobbs, he's watching, or anybody else that's done this. I've roughened this up with 40 grit sandpaper on my my disc. I think we're good. Now just final cleanup. Maybe a bit more gel coat from the sides. I tab it in. I think we're good. And up here, I'm not sure how high to go. That's where, it was originally about here, and then this was just almost like false transom. It was only half the thickness or less. So I don't know, probably here, I'm guessing. Where do you think I recommend to go up? Because I got to tab it in. I wouldn't mind tabbing in the top too, so can't go all the way to the top, got no room. Thoughts? Anybody? There we go.